and welcome to today's video. Exfoliating the skin, getting rid of grease, dirt, blackhead, whitehead, dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. Now, a good way to do that is to have a regular skincare routine and exfoliating the skin at least twice per week using a good exfoliator. I exfoliate mine twice a week, but what I use is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is rich in antioxidants that will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, lighten, brighten, and also get rid of grease, dirt from the skin. I am going to use the aloe vera with other ingredients to create an exfoliator. An exfoliator that you can use in the comfort of your home and see amazing results really fast. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Today I'm going to use lemon, mostly the lemon zest, which is rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that will help to lighten, brighten, and clear hyperpigmentation from the skin. It will also help to get rid of dead skin cells, rich in citric acid. Now my next ingredient is aloe vera, and here I have fresh aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera will clear pigmentation, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, good for sunburn. Aloe vera is cooling on the skin. My next ingredient is purple rice, which is high in antioxidant content that helps protect the skin from sun damage and aging by reducing wrinkles and fine lines, boosting collagen and elastin. It also is beneficial for those with dry skin and uneven skin tone. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to prep these three ingredients. So first, I'm going to remove the gel from the aloe leaf. This I like to do using a knife. I just extract the gel from the middle by cutting both ends off. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to be blending the fresh aloe gel to a liquid form. So place about 2 ounces of aloe vera in the blender and blend. And once this is done, take a look. Here I have the fresh aloe vera gel. Now next, let's go ahead and zest the lemon. I'm zesting with a grater, and we need about a teaspoon or so of the lemon zest. And now we're going to put this aside and move on to the rice. And I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of the purple rice. Place this in the blender. Do not add any form of a liquid. Blend dry, and now take a look after blending your blended purple rice powder. Now once this is done, we have now complete prepping the 3 ingredients of rice, aloe vera gel, and lemon zest. And now we're going to put these together. So let's reach for a small bowl. So here in the bowl, I'm going to be using about 3 tablespoons of the purple rice. If you're using any other type of rice, go ahead and use 3 tablespoons. Make sure it is in a powdered form. Next, I'm going to reach for the lemon zest, and I'm going to use about a teaspoon of the lemon zest. A good substitute for the lemon zest is some orange zest. Next, I'm reaching for the aloe vera gel, and I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of the fresh aloe vera gel. So here in our bowl, we have the rice, the lemon zest, and the aloe vera gel. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix all 3 together. This is going to get a little grainy like, more of course cornmeal, not to worry. This is how you want it to be. Once we fully blend the 3 ingredients together, I'm going to reach for some oils. My first oil is going to be some grapeseed oil, which is a light oil, will not clog the pores, and I'm using a teaspoon of the grapeseed oil. I'm also going to be using using some coconut oil, a thicker, a heavier oil, but it locks the moisture in the skin. 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil. So 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon grapeseed oil, and now we're just going to fold the oils in the rice mixture. We are making it in the form of a paste. Do not add any water to this, just keep mixing. Mix and mix well, and take a look at the consistency that you're gonna get. This is what it should be like. And do not worry about the oils that we use in this. Mixing the oils with the rice and aloe vera gel and lemon peel is gonna work amazingly on the skin to clear hyperpigmentation, get rid of blackheads and whiteheads, get rid of dull, rough looking skin, lighten, brighten the skin while reducing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Now what you're going to do with this, you can choose to pour it in a small jar, or you can even store this in a Ziploc bag. Store this in the refrigerator and use it up within a week. This amount is about 3 applications, so do not choose to make more since you will need to use it up within a week. Go ahead, use it to exfoliate, use it to wash your face, and you're on your way to smooth skin. And there you have it, a simple but a very natural way to exfoliate the skin. Go ahead, give it a try. Remember, if you do not have proper rice, use white rice or black rice, and you're on your way to gorgeous looking skin. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.